Welcome to Unraveling Earth's Secrets, the crucial role of plate tectonics in geology. Join us on a journey through the dynamic evolution of our planet, guided by the transformative science of plate tectonics. Let's delve into the profound impact of these geological processes on Earth's structure and history. The story of Earth is a tale of constant change, where monumental landscapes and intricate patterns reveal the underlying forces of plate tectonics. This theory revolutionizes our understanding of continents, oceans, and the mechanisms shaping our world. Plate tectonics unlocks the secrets of Earth's past, allowing us to reconstruct ancient landmasses, predict future configurations, and comprehend the ongoing processes sculpting our planet. This knowledge transcends academia, impacting resource management, environmental policies, and disaster readiness. The historical journey of plate tectonics faced skepticism before becoming a cornerstone of modern geology. Alfred Wegener's continental drift theory laid the foundation, eventually validated by ocean floor mapping, magnetic field studies, and seismic activity observations. Continental drift, exemplified by Pangaea's breakup, illustrates Earth's dynamic nature. The movement of continents over time reshaped climates, ecosystems, and species distribution, offering insights into past biodiversity and future geological transformations. Seafloor spreading, occurring at mid-ocean ridges, forms new oceanic crust and validates plate tectonics. Magnetic anomalies and volcanic activity provide crucial evidence, highlighting the cyclical nature of Earth's geology and the balance between crust creation and destruction. Subduction zones, where tectonic plates collide, drive geological activity like volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. These zones play a vital role in crust recycling, landmass formation, and the Earth's carbon cycle, while also posing significant natural disaster risks. Mountain formation, a result of tectonic forces and plate collisions, shapes Earth's geography. Orogeny processes create majestic mountain ranges like the Himalayas, influencing climates, habitats, and ecological diversity. Earthquakes and volcanoes, products of plate movements, offer insights into the Earth's internal dynamics. Understanding these phenomena is crucial for risk assessment, urban planning, and disaster response, emphasizing the practical relevance of plate tectonics. Rock formations serve as records of Earth's geological history, reflecting past climates, life forms, and tectonic activities. By studying sedimentary, igneous, and metamorphic rocks, geologists unravel the mysteries of Earth's past and locate valuable natural resources.
Plate tectonics and natural resources. The distribution of the Earth's natural resources is closely linked to the history and dynamics of tectonic plates. The formation of oil and gas reservoirs, mineral deposits, and coal beds can often be traced back to geological processes driven by plate tectonics, such as basin formation, volcanic activity, and mountain building. Understanding the plate tectonic settings of past geological eras can guide exploration and exploitation of natural resources. This knowledge aids in the discovery of new resources and helps in assessing the environmental impacts of their extraction and use, highlighting the interconnectedness of geology, economics, and environmental stewardship. Conclusion: the ongoing study of plate tectonics. The theory of plate tectonics has fundamentally transformed our understanding of the Earth, providing a coherent framework for explaining geological phenomena and guiding the exploration of natural resources. New technologies, such as satellite geodesy and deep-sea exploration, continue to reveal intricate details about the movements of plates and the dynamics of the Earth's interior. As our knowledge deepens, so too does our appreciation for the complexity and dynamism of our planet. The ongoing study of plate tectonics unravels Earth's secrets and underscores our responsibility to steward the natural resources and landscapes that this science helps us to understand. The journey of discovery continues, promising new insights into the past, present, and future of our ever-changing Earth.
My name is Ricardo Valls. I'm a professional geologist registered in the province of Ontario, Canada, and also the president of Valls Geoconsultant. Geology, geochemistry, structural analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. I am sure you will find something useful among my over 400 videos.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.